Good morning, engines. I've got a new engine coming today. I'd appreciate if you and James please show her the ropes. Thanks, that is all. Goodbye. I wonder who the new engine is going to be. It's probably just going to be some snotty upper-class engine. I mean, the last time we had a new engine over, I don't even want to remember, it was just super bad. Nah, I don't believe it.
Hello, I'm Tracy. I just came from down south.
Well, it's very nice to meet you, Tracy. I just have to say, you are one of the most interesting engines I've ever seen. I've never seen an engine in your color before. I've never seen an engine in yellow before. That's just pretty weird.
What are you saying? You call me ugly?
No, I didn't mean that. I'm just...
That's it. I'm leaving.
Well, she sure is a feisty engine, isn't she, James? I've never seen something like her. Later that day, James was taking a nap in the sidings. He had just taken a long, heavy mail train, and he wanted to relax, when he heard something puffing alongside.
Why did it have to be her? And it's all my fault.
Hello, Tracy? Who are you talking about? Who is this her?
Oh, I didn't see you there.
Who are you talking about? Who is this she that you're talking about?
I guess I should tell you the truth now. It was during the war. Me and other engine were in the same line. My name was Rebecca. We were inseparable. Wherever she went, I went. Whatever she did, I did. Until that fateful day. It was one day when we were waiting for the signal to turn green. When will the signal ever turn green? Then we heard the blitz overhead. Come on, mate! Then there was an explosion. That explosion killed her. Rebecca! Rebecca. I never forgave myself.
Well, it sucks. But, hey, if you need a new friend, I'll be your friend.
Really? You'll be my friend?
Yeah, of course I will. You deserve to have a friend after what you've been through. And from that day forward, Tracy and James were firm friends.